Tommy, Mommy needs the iPad for just a little while. We heard someone crying.
We brought some happy little friends.
Happy beat, jump, now who's at the door? Happy friends come one by one. Laugh together, sing together. Now it's time for lots of fun.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do that beautiful 3D animated children cartoon music video you saw before this my video. I'm going to be showing you how you can do it for free. When I mean free, I didn't subscribe for anything, any app or any AI tool to do that particular video. I know most of you would have been searching for how to do this type of videos, but you might be panicking. How will you achieve this type of videos because you don't have the resources to subscribe and all that? Don't worry my darling, you are in the right place. I'm going to be showing you step by step how I did it, how I generated the video, how I was also able to generate the music, and how I was able to put everything together, how I edited it. If it's something that you would like to know, please subscribe to my channel and join the family and stay with me till the end of this video. So if you want to achieve a good video like that one you just saw, or a perfect video more beautiful than the one you just saw, the one you just saw I just put it there for tutorial purposes, but I'm going to be showing you guys how I did it. So if you want to have a good video, you need a good idea too. It must not matter if it's a superb idea, you need an idea. So my idea initially was a boy sitting on the chair with the mom's iPad, playing with it. The mom dragged the iPad from him. He started crying, the bell rang, the neighbors came in and all that, okay? So like I always say, you need to be specific when you're generating your images and video and everything. You need to be specific and detailed when you are putting down your prompt, what you want ChatGPT to do for you, or any app you are using to generate your story. You need to be specific and detailed. If you're not specific and detailed to the app you're trying to get inspiration from or an idea from, they will end up giving you a slack story, and it will end up making your video to be dull and not interesting for the viewers to see. So if you have a good storyline, a good prompt, you will have a good video, and people will stick to your video and want to even watch it to the end, okay? So you can see the prompt on my screen, and I also went ahead to be detailed with the face appearance, consistency, the music style, and how many scenes I wanted. And I also went ahead to tell it that I needed an original music, lyrics and everything is on my screen. So don't worry, once I am taking any step in explaining the tutorial on how I did it, I'll be boldly pasting the prompt on my screen so you can see the prompts I'm putting in each box and how I'm achieving my goal. So please don't give up on your goal. If you like this type of creation, just use this free plan and this free step I'm going to teach you. I will also give an alternative you can actually use to achieve this beautiful kids video. It's trending everywhere online. If you go online to check them, you will see people are making millions of dollars doing this type of videos just with their phone, no experience and all that. What if you don't have the money and the resources to do this type of videos? You can start with a free plan and be doing this type of videos step by step. Who knows, before you know it, when you start making the money, you can then subscribe to a higher package to even do more professional videos that kids will love. It might not even be a kids video, you might have even graduated to another level. So without wasting your time, let us move to the important step. So please stay with me till the end of this video. So head to your Google Chrome, go and log into Revision. We are going to create our music here. If you're in the right place, this is how your interface will look like. This is the premium plan, okay? So we are not actually going for the premium. This is how your interface will look like. So we'll switch to the free plan. So you see where the row describes the mood instrument. We are going to copy the lyrics we made with ChatGPT, okay? This is my lyrics. And this is my prompt for the music I want to generate. So we'll paste our prompt. So I already placed the prompt for you guys so you can see it well. So let's go ahead to copy our lyrics and paste it, okay? Then we'll just set it to 60 seconds and generate. So when it generates on this app, I don't know, mine refused to play here. So I just went ahead to click on download.
Oh no, Tommy, don't you cry. No, Tommy, don't you cry. Look around and wave. Happy hands and happy feet. Come.
This is another option you can use. This is the one I actually use. American AI, they also do music. You can see lyrics there and style. I'll just go ahead to copy my lyrics and paste it. So this is the style I actually used. We go ahead to copy it, go back to the app, we paste it. So actually this particular lyrics, I actually shortened it. I did not copy everything. I just shortened it because the video I'm using is very short, okay? So don't forget to select the voice, either female or a male vocal voice. Then you put your song title, it's optional, okay? So go ahead and create. If when you create it will bring you here.
Oh no, Tommy, don't you cry. Look around and wave hi. Happy hands and happy feet. Come and dance to the happy beat. Knock, knock, who's at the door? Happy friends come one by one. Laugh together, sing together. Now it's time for lots of fun. Tap your feet, wave, wave.
So let's move to the next part. This is the important part. We are using Google Flow, okay? You click on Nano Banana, you can see it's an image. We are going to change it to video. Okay, you can choose the seconds and how many times you want your video to be generated. Then we'll move to this arrow facing upward, choose photo library. It will bring you to your gallery, okay? Select your picture. Let's go back and copy our prompt for the story, for the scene. Don't worry, I'm going to put the prompt boldly on the screen so you see what I copied and pasted in the box. So here it is for scene 1, the story, and this is the image prompt and the video prompt. So I generated my video, but because I'm on a free plan, I have to change it to 1 to manage my credits. Let's move to the next part. The same procedure, your image is inside the box. You know how to select your image. You paste your prompt, okay? So this is the prompt I use. So you can see it. Then let's just play this one.
We heard someone crying.
We brought some happy little friends.
After that, you move to CapCut, you select all your videos, you extract your sound. If you don't know how to do it, go back to my videos. I did video on CapCut, and here you can choose any sound you want. If you want them to jump sound, the clapping sound, the piano sound, and you're going to see all these features under sound effects. Once you click on sound effects, you will see it from audio to sound effects, okay? You can type whatever you want, it will give it to you. If you want a lion that is roaring or a cat that is meowing, you just type it here and you will see it here. So when you extract your sound, if it's too long, you cut it, use the fade in and fade out. It makes your music blend when you cut it, okay? Fade in will make it to start good. Fade out will make the finishing superb. So when you cut them, you join them together to rhyme with your video. Welcome back, guys. You can see it was not difficult, okay? So if you have any questions or contribution, feel free to put it on my comment section. For those of you that don't know my name is Mimi, and I'm happy to have you in my family. Thank you for watching and see you another day.